Hello again. Welcome to Uncle Geoff's Easy-Peasy English. Today we're looking at the verb to long for something. To long for something or to long to do something. The meaning is you really want to do it. You really want something to happen. For example, way back in the 1980s, an American singer called Lionel Richie had a big hit song with Hello, all about a boy who fell in love with a girl. He wanted to go on long romantic walks along the beach holding her hand. One of the lines in the song is, I long to see the sunlight in your hair. He really wants to see the sunlight shining on her hair and reflecting. Very romantic. I long to see the sunlight in your hair and tell you time and time again how much I care. Another song, much older, back in the 1960s, a British group called the Beatles had a hit song called Yesterday about a boy who was in love with a girl and he said something stupid to her. She hated him afterwards, so he was hoping, he was wishing, he was longing for the day before when things were much better. One of the lines in the song is, I said something wrong, now I long for yesterday. So there we are, two romantic songs, one quite happy and one quite sad. English grammar, the verb to long for something or to long to do something, easy peasy. And just think, if the Beatles had sung the song Yesterday, tomorrow, then their yesterday would be today. Thank you for watching. See you next time on Uncle Geoff's Easy Peasy English. Bye-bye for now.